Okay, let's go over the Alpine audio upgrade on this brand new 2025 Transit Custom. So what we've done on this vehicle, the client wanted to completely transform the sound. He wasn't happy with the original system that comes with the van. So what we've done here is we've completely soundproofed the front doors. These are absolutely solid now. So he's had full soundproofing on both front doors. He's had Alpine's three-way speakers fitted in there, very high end tweeters, mids and woofers in the door. I'm telling you all this because obviously we're going to go inside in a second and listen to it as well, and you just won't be able to hear me talking over. And then he's had a custom subwoofer under the rear seats, so he loves his bass. And let's have a quick nosy. You'd really have to be here in person with the vehicle to know how amazing it sounds inside. Completely fills the cabin with sound, beautiful music, clarity, bass, mid. It's absolutely awesome. If you'd like any more information, please feel free to reach out. If you want a similar installation, we'll be more than happy to help with your vehicle audio as well as the security. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you soon.